Hi everyone, this is the unboxing and a quick overview of the 2024 Lenovo Thinkpad E16 Gen 1 laptop. But before that, I'd like to thank our structural design expert Ravi Shankar for giving me an opportunity to do this. Thank you so much, Ravi. I really appreciate the gesture. The laptop was shipped in a tamper-proof packaging through Blue Dart. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. It was purchased from Lenovo India's online store at a landed price of Rs 64,000, including a 4,000 rupee discount using ICICI Bank's ongoing offer. The laptop is primarily aimed at business professionals, students, and small to medium enterprises looking for a reliable laptop with performance for productivity applications, light multitasking, and remote work such as coding, spreadsheets, documentation, CAD works, etc. This specific model is 21JNS03Q00 and the primary specs are Intel Core i5 1335U processor. You cannot configure this model with AMD Silicon inside. 16GB DDR4 RAM, one 8GB SODIMM and the other 8GB is soldered to the board. Supports up to a maximum of 40GB RAM with a 32GB module. 512GB NVMe PCI Express 4.0 SSD. This is spare PCI Express 3.0 slot for expansion. Integrated Intel Iris graphics. A 16-inch IPS display in a 16:10 aspect ratio with 300 nits brightness. Windows 11 Home, 1 year on-site warranty and plenty of modern expansion ports on both sides. ThinkPads are synonymous with reliability and their ruggedness, which is why you'll see them used in very harsh environments. The first laptop in space was a ThinkPad, and for many years, ThinkPads were the only laptops certified by NASA for use on the International Space Station. The laptop has passed MIL standards 810H against travel hazards like shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures. The outer cover comes in a lovely black anodized aluminium finish with a ThinkPad inscription and the glowing red dot at the lower right corner. The lower bottom is also made of aluminium. You get adequate vent holes at the bottom with rubber grips. Ports on the right side include one generic USB 2.0 slot, RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, and the Kensington lock. Ports on the left side include two USB-C ports, one 3.2 Gen 2 and one Thunderbolt 4, either suitable for the supplied AC power adapter, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, the HDMI port and the 3.5mm aux jack with headphone support. You do not get a card reader in this laptop. You get a 720p camera with a privacy shutter. Stereo speakers at the left and right edges. The sound system supports Dolby Atmos, not the loudest, but it does the job. A 6-row chiclet spill-resistant keyboard with backlighting that supports two different brightness modes is bundled along with a full-size numeric keyboard at the right. The very useful trademark Trackpoint pointing device at the intersection of the G, H and B keys is also present. You get a large trackpad with 3 buttons and the trackpad has a well-damped click action. The fingerprint reader is integrated with a power button which is quite intuitive and thoughtful. Since we are starting the device for the first time, we'll have to configure the initial settings before we get to the home screen, so I'm skipping that part. And of course, it's a ThinkPad, so the display unfolds 180 degrees flat. We are not running any benchmarks, and you'll have to make do with these screenshots from CPU-Z. So summing up, the E series is the entry-level ThinkPad series and doesn't cost you as much as the mainstream T series or the premium X series ThinkPad range. But you don't get the same performance either. It makes some compromises for its low price and makes it a very compelling proposition to those who want good performance for their day-to-day tasks without compromising on the reliability. So that'll be all everyone. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video was useful. I'll see you in the next one.